In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure distances in Hamina. If you're planning your 2025 projects in Hamina Planner and need a quick way to check how far apart things are, the built-in ruler tool is the fastest, most straightforward option. It's designed for temporary measurements, so you can get answers on the spot without adding anything permanent to your project. First, open your project and look at the top toolbar. Find the ruler icon. Clicking that activates the measurement mode. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press the M key to do the same thing. When the tool is active, your cursor will change to indicate you're ready to measure. This is your cue that every click and drag will be interpreted as a distance check, not a regular selection. To measure, move your cursor to the exact place you want to start from. Click once to set that starting point, then hold and drag toward your destination. As you drag, keep an eye on the small bubble that follows your cursor. This bubble shows the distance dynamically in your preferred units, either feet or meters. You'll see the value update in real time as you move, which makes it easy to fine-tune the placement before you finish. When you're satisfied, release the mouse. If your preferred units aren't currently showing, that simply reflects your existing Hamina settings. You can continue measuring now and adjust preferences later if needed. A few quick tips for accuracy. Zoom in before you place your starting point so you can anchor it precisely on a corner, edge, or landmark. While dragging, try to follow the path you want to measure, straight line or otherwise, to get a realistic number for your layout. If the line isn't exactly where you intended, keep moving the mouse until it snaps into place visually. And if you set the wrong starting point, don't worry. Because this is a temporary measurement, you can just clear it and try again in seconds. When you're finished with that measurement, clearing it is simple. Click anywhere else on the map to remove the line, or press the S key to exit the measurement cleanly. That's the beauty of the ruler tool. Nothing sticks around unless you want it to. Need another measurement right away? Tap M again or reselect the ruler icon and repeat the process. And that's all there is to it. Select the ruler, click and drag from your start to your endpoint, read the distance in the bubble, then clear it with a click or ESCA. With a little practice, you'll be measuring confidently and keeping your planning work fast, clean, and focused.